To this day, some scientists argue that ball lightning doesn't exist based on how rarely it's seen.
Have you ever looked up at the sky and your sight stumbles upon something that just doesn't add up? From uncommon lights exhibiting peculiar movements to objects that elude explanation,
this video surfaced out of China, and it looks like their city is floating in the clouds.
there's a trove of unexplained mysteries lurking above. These mysteries in the sky have been caught on camera by those who happen to be in the right place at the right time.
These are clouds from Smith Mountain Lake, Virginia. That really did happen. Yes, this is a real picture from yesterday.
Today, we're exploring some of these unexplained mysteries, aiming to uncover what exactly they are and why they continue to evade clear explanations. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of unexplained mysteries in the sky, caught on camera, the floating city. In a startling revelation, a video surfaced from China capturing the attention of the global community. Reports flooded in from Chinese residents claiming to witness a baffling sight, an apparent mirrored reflection of their city manifested in the sky. This uncanny phenomenon set off a whirlwind of theories, ranging from discussions about parallel universes to wild speculations about clandestine NASA initiatives to fabricate the second coming of Jesus. The internet buzzed with skepticism, labeling the spectacle as a fabricated hologram, stirring conspiracy theories about ulterior motives and technological experimentation. Some even attributed the event to China, suggesting that the country's technological prowess might have been behind a projection designed to gauge public reactions. However, scientific scrutiny offered a more grounded explanation. Experts pointed towards a phenomenon known as a superior mirage, characterizing it as an upward projection mirage, akin to the mirages of water often witnessed by travelers in arid landscapes. To create a fata morgana or mirage, specific atmospheric conditions must align cold, dense air near the ground juxtaposed with a layer of warmer air above. This natural occurrence, termed a superior mirage, might explain the perplexing sight witnessed by the inhabitants of China. Rather than an otherworldly phenomenon or a manufactured hologram, it could be attributed to atmospheric optics, where the interplay of temperature and air density creates an illusionary reflection of the city in the sky. Zambian flying ghost. While the idea of encountering a real-life Dementor might send shivers down any Harry Potter fan's spine, the recent sighting of a figure resembling one in the skies over a shop in Zambia has certainly stirred quite a buzz. Sadly, there's only a picture to go by. But for devout believers in the magical world of Hogwarts, this visual cue might be enough to spark fantasies of a parallel universe. Reports emerged of locals reacting with a mix of fear and awe upon seeing this mysterious figure. Some, stricken with fear, interpreted it as a manifestation of a divine entity, prompting them to flee, while others stayed behind, engaging in worship. Eyewitnesses claimed that this enigmatic figure remained suspended in the air for a staggering 30 minutes. Now, if we're entertaining the notion that this entity mirrors the dreaded Dementors from the Harry Potter universe, then things might take a dark turn. In J.K. Rowling's wizarding world, Dementors are depicted as sinister creatures capable of extracting joyful memories from their victims, leaving them emotionally drained, mere hollow shells bereft of their innermost happiness and soul. Though the rational explanation would likely point towards a different interpretation, the intrigue and fear inspired by the notion of encountering a real-life Dementor captivate the imagination, blending fiction and reality in a way that leaves room for wonder and apprehension. For Harry Potter enthusiasts, it's a thrilling yet spine-chilling notion that elements from the magical realm might manifest in our own. A mysterious black smoke ring hovering over northern Kazakhstan sparked a wave of speculation, with various theories emerging about its origin and purpose. The weird footage of this O-shaped phenomenon, which lingered in the sky for a staggering 15 minutes, left onlookers bewildered. The ring, estimated to be over 300 feet wide, maintained a consistent altitude between 600 and 3,000 feet throughout its visible existence. The lack of any discernible odor added to the enigma surrounding this peculiar cloud, which prompted onlookers to coin imaginative terms such as portal to hell, and associate it with extraterrestrial phenomena or ominous entities like Death Eaters. Notably, the crystal-clear sky contradicted the typical conditions associated with thermal microbursts, which are known to occur in inclement weather. These atmospheric disturbances are usually formed by rising masses of warm air, creating vortex rings or smoke rings. However, the absence of adverse weather conditions in the video fueled the mystery surrounding the floating ring. Conspiracy theorists abound with interpretations, ranging from extraterrestrial ships to atmospheric anomalies. Some proposed that it might be a vortex ring, while others attributed it to a rising mass of warm air, a thermal microburst. The discrepancy between the observed clear sky and the conventional triggers for thermal microbursts only deepened the intrigue surrounding this unexplained phenomenon. In the absence of a conclusive explanation, the black smoke ring over northern Kazakhstan remains an intriguing puzzle, inviting speculation and wonder about the mysteries that occasionally unfold in our vast and unpredictable skies. UFO clouds in Cape Town. In an eye-catching visual spectacle, residents of Cape Town were treated to an astonishing display of cloud formations that evoked comparisons to UFOs and saucers looming in the daytime sky. These striking images captured by onlookers depicted peculiar, saucer-shaped clouds that seemed to hover like otherworldly objects, sparking a wave of speculation and awe-inspiring conjecture. The uncanny resemblance to UFOs prompted some individuals to jest about an impending space invasion or the potential for extraterrestrial abduction, adding an air of playful suspense to the atmosphere. However, the scientific community weighed in on the phenomenon, suggesting an alternate explanation for these enigmatic formations. Experts pointed to the possibility that these cloud formations resembled lenticular clouds, a type of cloud often characterized by their lens or saucer-like appearance. While scientists offered this explanation, it's crucial to note that they did not conduct a direct examination of the clouds in question. Consequently, a conclusive determination remained elusive. The contrasting perspectives between the public's imaginative interpretations and the scientific reasoning offered by experts added depth to the intrigue surrounding these peculiar cloud formations. Despite the associations drawn to UFOs and alien abductions, the scientific community's conjecture about lenticular clouds provided a plausible, albeit unverified, explanation for this captivating natural spectacle in Cape Town's skies. Second sun over Slovakia. The concept of a planet with two suns, reminiscent of Kepler-16b from Star Wars lore, has intrigued both science fiction enthusiasts and astronomers. While our solar system doesn't align with this dual-star system, a peculiar incident in Slovakia at the beginning of 2017 stirred widespread fascination. In a viral social media clip, individuals in Slovakia captured a striking sight: the appearance of what seemed to be two suns simultaneously visible in the sky. This event sparked intense discussions and conjectures globally. Some explanations posited that this occurrence might have been a reflection of the actual sun. However, skepticism arose regarding the plausibility of such a colossal structure being capable of reflecting its luminosity to create a dual sun effect in the sky. Interestingly, some pagans, known for their reverence of the sun, offered an alternative interpretation. They attributed the phenomenon to the reflection of their goddess, associating such deities with notions of power and strength. This interpretation adds a cultural and spiritual dimension to the phenomenon, showcasing the diverse ways in which people perceive and interpret extraordinary natural occurrences. Fireballs in Florida. The buzz in the town and scientific circles escalated when more than 200 witnesses reported a mesmerizing fireball streaking across the Florida sky. Now hold your breath. It's not some don't look up scenario. This is as real as it gets. The captivating light show resulted from a 900-pound bolide hurtling through Earth's atmosphere at a staggering 50-degree angle, clocking in at an incredible speed of 38,000 miles per hour. When this celestial visitor met our atmosphere, the impact was nothing short of explosive, generating energy equivalent to a whopping 14 tons of dynamite. The moment of truth. It detonated about 23 miles above the Atlantic, painting the night sky with a spectacle that left onlookers in awe. Astrophysicists were quick to label this cosmic display as a meteor. No ordinary one, though. It was hailed as an exceptionally luminous meteor, dazzling in its fiery journey through the atmosphere. However, not everyone is convinced by the scientific explanation. Some voices in the community hinted at an extraterrestrial origin, theorizing it might have been an alien craft. Conspiracies abound, suggesting government secrecy around the true nature of the event. Now, we might tend to lean towards the dramatic side, but let's not discount the expertise of the scientists just yet. While theories swirl and speculations brew, the consensus points to this breathtaking phenomenon being an extraordinary meteoric event. But who knows? The cosmos often keeps its secrets, inviting us to ponder the mysteries beyond our earthly realm. Giant sky spiral. In 2009, a stunning event unfolded in Norway's skies, leaving witnesses in disbelief. Picture yourself on an evening stroll when suddenly an otherworldly sight appears, a colossal spiral seemingly emerging from an alien portal. The reaction? Utter astonishment. Now imagine the sheer bewilderment felt by Norwegians as this gigantic spiral unfurled above them. Eyewitness accounts vividly depicted the spectacle, a swirling phenomenon akin to a shooting star, rotating relentlessly while emitting a bluish jet from its side. This mesmerizing display persisted for over 2 minutes before abruptly vanishing, leaving an indelible mark on those who witnessed it. Norway, renowned for the enchanting aurora borealis, experienced this surreal anomaly, prompting speculation about extraterrestrial involvement. Could this be an alien attempt at breaching Earth's realm, possibly targeting Norway due to its mystical association with the Northern Lights? However, military analysts in Oslo offered an alternative explanation. They proposed that the celestial spectacle might have originated from a failed Russian missile launch. Intriguingly, on that very day, Russia conducted a test of its new intercontinental missile in the White Sea. Despite this correlation, Russia's defense ministry did not explicitly link these two incidents. Norway's skies, home to both natural marvels like the aurora borealis and unanticipated cosmic displays, became a subject of debate and speculation following this enigmatic occurrence. The juxtaposition of scientific analysis and speculation about extraterrestrial activity added an intriguing layer to the event, stirring the imagination of both experts and the public alike. Light pillars. Light pillars indeed present a captivating atmospheric optical phenomenon that can evoke thoughts of extraterrestrial beings and their characteristic beams from movies. These vertical beams of light seemingly extend either above or below a light source, creating an illusion that resembles something straight out of science fiction. Scientifically, light pillars arise from the reflection of light by minuscule ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere or within high-altitude clouds. These crystals play a pivotal role in crafting these striking optical displays, lending credence to the natural explanation for these phenomena. Light pillars are often attributed to sources like streetlights, the moon, or even terrestrial light sources. However, despite the scientific rationale, many individuals harbor doubts about this explanation and instead lean towards associating these vertical light beams with extraterrestrial spaceships. This attribution to alien activity is a testament to the power of our imagination and the allure of mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. Additionally, sun pillars, a similar atmospheric phenomenon, grace our skies, especially when the sun is positioned low in the sky, either before sunset in the western sky or just after dawn in the east. The appearance of sun pillars is a stunning sight and is primarily tied to the position of the sun with the horizon. Blood-red sky. The sky turning blood red in Shushan, China on May 7th stirred a flurry of speculation and concern among residents, prompting some to ponder whether it signaled the beginning of apocalyptic times. However, scientific analysis has offered a different perspective on this startling event. Scientists swiftly joined the conversation, positing that the crimson sky was a result of specific atmospheric conditions, moisture and fog, reflecting the red lights emitted by fishing ships. This intriguing explanation points to the possibility that the unusual red hue stemmed from the numerous fishing boats in the city's harbor, equipped with red LED lights. The supposition is that these lights refracted upwards, altering the sky's color from its usual darkness to a striking red. Now, skepticism lingers regarding this explanation. Some may find it challenging to accept this theory at face value, raising doubts about its plausibility. The notion that fishing boat lights could cause such a dramatic alteration in the sky's appearance may strike many as implausible or too simplistic an explanation for such a weird phenomenon. In situations like these, it's natural for various interpretations and theories to emerge. People might have their own unique and imaginative ideas about what caused the crimson sky, venturing into the realm of wild theories and speculation. And so, the curiosity persists, inviting individuals to share their thoughts and imaginative hypotheses on what might have truly unfolded in the skies above Shushan, China on that perplexing day. Ball lightning. Ball lightning is one of those mesmerizing phenomena that has intrigued and puzzled people for centuries. Imagine encountering floating spheres of light, ranging from the size of a pea to several meters in diameter, that seemingly defy explanation. In times past, these mysterious luminous orbs were often attributed to supernatural origins, with interpretations ranging from ghosts to divine messages or even alien activity. These enigmatic balls of light, known as ball lightning, appear in varied colors, shifting from blue to orange to yellow, before vanishing within a few fleeting seconds. Witnesses have reported accompanying hissing sounds and peculiar odors, adding to the mystique surrounding this phenomenon. Scientifically, however, the formation of ball lightning remains an unsolved puzzle.
To this day, some scientists argue that ball lightning doesn't exist based on how rarely it's seen.
Initially dismissed due to a lack of substantial evidence, scientists have since pondered various theories. One proposed explanation suggests that ball lightning could emerge following a ground strike, initiating a reaction between oxygen and vaporized elements from the soil. This theory attempts to account for the inexplicable appearance of these luminous spheres. Yet, despite these speculative theories, concrete evidence validating the origin and nature of ball lightning remains elusive. The scientific community continues to grapple with this fascinating and elusive phenomenon, acknowledging that while theories might provide plausible explanations, definitive answers about the true nature of ball lightning continue to evade scientific certainty. Earthquake lightning. Indeed, earthquake lights stand as an enigmatic natural alarm system that baffles scientists worldwide. These luminous aerial phenomena are said to manifest in the sky or nearby regions, experiencing tectonic stress, seismic activity, or volcanic eruptions, often serving as preludes to earthquakes. These mysterious lights, observed in the hours or days leading up to seismic events, present a wide array of shapes and colors, adding a strange and intriguing aspect to their existence. Take, for instance, the unsettling footage captured before the devastating 27 earthquake in Mexico, registering a magnitude of 8.1. Images of ethereal green and blue lights dancing in the sky circulated, sparking intrigue and speculation. Initially regarded with skepticism by the scientific community, these sightings have been reported for millennia, dating back to at least 89 BCE. Records from various cultures and historical periods document these unexplained luminous displays preceding seismic activity. Japan, with its seismic history, also holds accounts of these phenomena. Amidst these observations, numerous theories have surfaced, each attempting to decipher the cryptic nature of earthquake lights. Some interpretations stray into the realm of divine signs, suggesting a higher power's intervention or message being conveyed through these ethereal lights. Angel caught in the sky. The first video, recorded during a flight, initially portrays a serene and typical sky. However, the scene takes an unexpected turn as an ethereal figure resembling an angel suddenly materializes. This otherworldly being exhibits enormous wings and emits a radiant, luminous aura while gracefully flapping its wings. The surreal nature of this spectacle has left viewers astounded, prompting a wide array of reactions and speculations. The authenticity of this footage has been hotly debated. with some individuals questioning its legitimacy by positing claims of potential manipulation or fabrication. However, the veracity of such claims remains a subject of controversy, inviting viewers to assess and draw their own conclusions regarding the authenticity of the video. Moving on to the second video, the source and content continue to stoke ambiguity and intrigue. A flying entity, initially mistaken for a bird when observed from a distance, reveals itself as something far more enigmatic upon closer inspection. As the footage zooms in, the humanoid figure with remarkably large wings becomes discernible, soaring through the sky. This sighting, captured by an individual, presents a curious and perplexing scenario. The distinct features of a humanoid form adorned with expansive wings challenge conventional explanations, inviting speculation and contemplation about the nature of the entity in flight. While both videos offer captivating visual content, they also incite controversy and divided opinions. The elusive nature of these sightings and the ambiguity surrounding their origins and authenticity have propelled these recordings into the realm of intense scrutiny and debate. Northern Lights. The enchanting phenomenon known as the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, is among nature's most mesmerizing displays. These captivating dancing waves of light have intrigued humanity for ages, weaving their way into ancient myths and cultural narratives. Revered by ancient civilizations, these mystery lights were often associated with celestial beings, evoking a sense of wonder and magic. Visible between late September and early March in northern Norway, where darkness blankets the skies from early afternoon until late morning, the Aurora Borealis paints the heavens with its breathtaking hues. The display showcases a stunning array of colors, ranging from vibrant greens to blues, and occasionally adorns the sky with delicate shades of pink and violet. Scientifically, researchers have coined the term Aurora Borealis to describe this phenomenon, which manifests under specific optimal conditions: clear, dark skies coupled with cold and dry weather. The magic unfolds when electrically charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere, resulting in this ethereal light show. While northern Norway is a prime location to witness this celestial spectacle, the Aurora Borealis also graces other regions, casting its luminous glow over the southern tip of Greenland, Iceland, the northern coast of Norway, and the coastal waters north of Siberia. Its ethereal beauty has transformed it into a significant tourist attraction, drawing visitors from around the globe seeking to witness nature's enchanting dance in the night sky. Cross in the sky. Instances where religious symbols or words seemingly appear in natural phenomena often stir intense debates and discussions among believers and skeptics alike. In 2008, a striking occurrence took place in Russia, leaving locals astonished as they witnessed a cross formed by clouds hovering in the sky. For many believers, this sighting was interpreted as a divine sign, hinting at the imminent arrival of the end times. News channels extensively covered this event, triggering fervent debates about its authenticity. Amidst the scrutiny and debate, thorough analysis concluded that the video capturing the cloud-formed cross was indeed authentic, dispelling doubts about its veracity. This confirmation validated the experience for those who perceived it as a miraculous occurrence, solidifying their faith in its significance. Similarly, there have been incidents where members of the Muslim community reported seeing the word Allah, meaning God in Arabic, seemingly manifested in clouds during lightning. One such incident was captured in Lahore, Pakistan, where a video purportedly shows the word Allah distinctly etched across the sky. Occurrences like these, where religious symbols or words seemingly appear in the sky or natural phenomena, spark intense reactions and interpretations among believers, reinforcing their faith and convictions. While skeptics may attribute such sightings to coincidences or natural occurrences, for those who witness and believe in the significance of these events, they stand as profound manifestations of divine presence, inspiring awe and spiritual reflection. Wave clouds. The footage captured by a woman in South Carolina showcased a mesmerizing sight. Expansive, undulating clouds resembling colossal waves traversing the sky. This captivating spectacle intrigued many, prompting discussions about the unique nature of these clouds and their peculiar movements. Scientists shed light on this natural phenomenon, identifying it as Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds. These formations occur when distinct layers of air within the atmosphere move at different velocities. When the upper layer of air moves faster than the lower layer, it can sculpt the top of existing cloud layers into distinctive, rolling, wave-like shapes. These clouds tend to manifest prominently on windy days and are often indicative of potential aircraft turbulence. However, amidst scientific explanations, conspiracy theories emerged, proposing an alternative narrative. Some theorists attributed these striking cloud patterns to a secretive military instrument known as HARP. This facility has garnered infamy for purportedly possessing the ability to manipulate and weaponize weather patterns. While the scientific community's explanation aligns with the established understanding of atmospheric phenomena, the conjectures surrounding HARP introduced an element of mystery and intrigue. Despite the scientific rationale behind Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds, the persistence of conspiracy theories underscores the enduring fascination and speculation surrounding uncommon atmospheric occurrences. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. One of the intriguing unexplained mysteries in the sky caught on camera involves an image from 2015. It claims to depict a kraken, a legendary sea creature, appearing to swirl within a tornado in Oklahoma. The mere thought of such a colossal being existing is mind-boggling. However, many question the legitimacy of this depiction, wondering how such a massive entity could have evaded discovery for so long. Validating the authenticity of extraordinary sightings like these poses a considerable challenge. The fascination with such enigmas persists, captivating minds globally. The oceans, vast and mysterious, have always held tales of mythical creatures. The Kraken, often portrayed as a giant octopus or squid, was believed to dwell in the depths, capable of causing whirlpools and taking down entire ships. While this image suggests a convergence of the Kraken with a tornado, scientific evidence supporting the existence of such colossal creatures remains elusive. Let us know what you think about what we just showed you. Fire tornadoes. Air tornadoes, commonly known as dust devils or whirlwinds, occur when the sun heats the ground, creating hot air pockets that rise rapidly through cooler air above. As these columns of hot air rise, they may twist and become visible due to dust or debris, resembling small tornadoes. Water tornadoes, also known as waterspouts, form over bodies of water. They're essentially tornadoes that occur over a lake or ocean, drawing up water into the air due to specific weather conditions, typically associated with thunderstorms or unstable atmospheric conditions. Fire tornadoes or fire whirls, fire devils, might seem like something out of a movie, but they do exist. These fiery whirlwinds are formed during intense fires when rising heat and strong winds combine, creating a rotating column of flame, ash, and smoke. Fire tornadoes often begin as a whirl of wind, made visible by smoke, and can escalate into an awe-inspiring and dangerous spectacle. The footage of these unique fire tornadoes offers glimpses into their terrifying power and the immense scale they can reach. The one filmed in British Columbia, Canada, during the September 2018 wildfires, displayed the ferocity of nature as it churned and spiraled, showcasing the destructive potential of fire under certain weather conditions. Similarly, the sighting in Derbyshire, England, captured the enormity of a fire tornado, highlighting the sheer scale and intensity of these phenomena, which can be both mesmerizing and alarming due to their ability to cause widespread damage. Moreover, the unfortunate occurrence during the Australian bushfires further emphasizes the destructive force of fire tornadoes and their contribution to the severity and devastation of such natural disasters. Understanding these natural occurrences provides insight into the complexity and power of the elements, underscoring the need for vigilance and preparedness in the face of these extraordinary and potentially hazardous events. Dragon caught in the sky. The world of Chinese mythology is brimming with captivating tales, especially those involving majestic dragons. Recently, a remarkable sighting in China has stirred quite a buzz, capturing a massive creature soaring through the sky. While some locals referred to it as a dragon, others sought a more scientific explanation. Experts noted that the creature's distinctive head resembled that of a pterosaur, a fascinating flying reptile that roamed the skies millions of years ago alongside dinosaurs. This speculation raises intriguing possibilities. Could these creatures from ancient times still exist? Perhaps hidden away in remote and unexplored locations? It's a bit like something straight out of the mythical world of Game of Thrones, where dragons rule the skies. Despite thorough investigations, the origins of this astonishing sighting remain elusive, leaving its authenticity up for debate. Nevertheless, one thing is undeniable. It looks stunning. Rainbow cloud. The sight of a rainbow cloud is undeniably enchanting and seems straight out of a fairy tale. While rainbows themselves are familiar optical phenomena, the appearance of rainbow-colored clouds can be an extraordinary and mesmerizing occurrence that captures the imagination. Typically, rainbows manifest after rain when sunlight interacts with dispersed water droplets in the air. However, rainbow clouds showcase a stunning array of colors without the need for water droplets. Instead, scientists explain that these ethereal clouds utilize ice crystals to refract sunlight, resulting in a captivating display of hues against the sky. Despite the scientific explanation, various cultures and mythologies have woven tales around such phenomena. In Greek mythology, the rainbow was linked to the goddess Iris, considered the personification of the rainbow, and often associated with messages, communication, and blessings bestowed upon the earth. This mythological connection adds an extra layer of wonder to the appearance of rainbow clouds, evoking ancient stories of divine visitations or messages from the heavens. Similarly, in Norse mythology, there's the rainbow bridge known as Bifrost, which connects the realms of Asgard and Midgard. The imagery of a rainbow bridge linking different worlds adds a mystical and enchanting dimension to the sight of rainbow clouds, UFO above the Aegean Sea. The recording made by a passenger aboard a plane flying over the Aegean Sea indeed showcased a peculiar and unexpected sight, an object flying in proximity to the aircraft, exhibiting maneuvers seemingly beyond the capabilities of conventional aircraft. The nature of its movement sparked widespread speculation, with numerous individuals suggesting it might be an extraterrestrial craft, commonly referred to as a UFO, unidentified flying object. This unidentified object's ability to execute maneuvers that defy known aviation capabilities prompted the alien craft hypothesis among onlookers and those who viewed the footage. The video's compelling visuals and the object's seemingly unconventional flight patterns fueled discussions regarding the possibility of otherworldly visitations. Similarly, another sighting occurred in Hays County, Texas, where witnesses observed an object emitting a continuous flickering orange light. This unidentified object remained stationary for an extended duration, drawing the attention of spectators due to its unusual behavior and persistent presence in the sky. Both instances reflect intriguing encounters that elude easy explanations. Despite various hypotheses and speculations, the true nature and origin of these objects remain enigmatic and open to interpretation. Santa Claus. The footage capturing Santa Claus sightings during Christmas Eve showcases two distinct videos filmed on separate occasions aboard aeroplane flights over Ireland. Both videos portray an astonishing sight: a sledge traversing the sky, seemingly propelled by magical means, carrying a figure strongly resembling the iconic Santa Claus. In the first set of clips, captured by passengers aboard the flights, the viewers are treated to a surreal spectacle as they witness a sledge gliding gracefully through the air. Its striking resemblance to the traditional image of Santa's sleigh immediately captures attention. The sleigh, adorned with festive decorations and pulled by what appears to be reindeer, creates an undeniable sense of wonder and amazement. These sightings occurred during the magical atmosphere of Christmas Eve, adding an air of enchantment to the already extraordinary spectacle. As the plane soared over different regions of Ireland, passengers on both flights were left in awe by the unexpected appearance of this fantastical sight. Moreover, beyond the aeroplane sightings, there's another remarkable video taken during broad daylight that further adds to the mystique. In this additional footage, captured in a completely different setting, observers can witness a similar sleigh soaring through the sky against the backdrop of daylight. The incredulous sight of a sleigh, apparently defying the laws of gravity, leaves viewers astonished and questioning the boundaries of what's conceivable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.